Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will provide you the solution of Explorer Multi-Cloud Skills first lab, that is building a VPN between Google Cloud and AWS with Terraform. It is a part of the yellow challenge, and if you didn't complete it or watch the video solution of the remaining app labs, then go to my channel, click on playlist button, and under the yellow challenge solution playlist, you will see all the lab solution that I uploaded on my challenge. So without wasting any time, start our lab solution. Click on this lab, wait for it to load. As you can see, there are total 8 tasks that we need to perform. Click on start lab, wait for the credentials to be loaded. The credentials are loading. The estimated time that we have to wait is in my case is 1 minute, so I will wait for 1 minute. Now you can see the credentials are loaded. So right click on open Google console and open it in private window. Once again, it's an important step to open it in incognito mode. Otherwise you will see certain problems. Okay, I will use another account. Okay, simply copy the username, come here, paste it, hit enter, use this password, copy it, come here, paste it, and click on next button. Now click on I understand button. Our Google Cloud console will be loaded up. If you already completed the lab while watching my video solution, then you will be familiar with these steps. Now a pop-up will arise. Check this and click on agree and continue. Now in IAM and admin section, click on IAM. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded successfully, click on service accounts. You can cut this. Here, click on these three dots. Now, here we need to select manage key. That is this one, manage keys. Click on this. Wait for it to load completely. Click on add key button. Create new key. Make sure it is JSON selected. Click on create button. A file will be loaded and it will download it automatically. I'm saving it in my downloads folder. Click on save button. That's it. Now close it. Come back to here. Click on task 1. This is task 1 that we need to perform. Scroll down. 1 minute. Our task 1 and task 2 are covered up in these steps. Now scroll down. Click on check my progress. That is in our task 3. That's it. Now come back to our dashboard. Click on this right top button, activate Cloud Shell, which is on our top right corner. Wait for our shell to activate. Click on continue button. While it's loading, please open your notepad. I am opening my notepad. It's important. Come back to where you save the file that we downloaded. This is my file. Copy the file name. Copy the whole file name to the .json also. After that, you can close it. Come here, paste the file name. Till then, you will see that your Cloud Shell will be activated. Click on Got It button. Come back to here. Scroll down. Copy this code from dot to .sh slash. Copy carefully. Come back to the notepad. Came to the starting. Paste the code. Now copy this whole code. Now came to our shell. Here you need to click on these three dots and click on upload button. Now click on choose file and choose the file that we downloaded as a key, our JSON file. Click on upload. It's uploading. Once it's get uploaded, now you can paste that command that we copied and hit enter. Actually, we missed some steps, so come back to here. Come to the task 1. Copy the certain code. Copy the first code. Actually, these steps are required. I thought it will be passed out. So paste it here. Hit enter. Click on authorize button. It will get authorized. Now come back. Scroll down. Copy this. Come to here. Wait for it to load. paste it, hit enter. That's it. Now we can copy this code and run it here. Copy it, paste it, and hit enter. You can see it's loaded successfully without any error. Now come back to the lab page. Scroll down to the task 3. Scroll down. Now copy this first code. Come back to here. Paste it and hit enter. Wait for it to load. Now copy this one. Come back to here. This code is for edit a file. So when we do this, editor will be opened up. Here we need to make some changes. So copy this, paste it here, hit enter. Scroll down, copy this code carefully from AWS to equals to. When you copy it, come back to here, paste it. Now in this key, you need to copy the AWS access key and paste it there. This key. Now come back to here, paste it, hit enter. Come back, copy this again from AWS to equals to carefully, paste it here. We need to copy the AWS secret key with this one. Come back here, press, paste it here. That's it. Now what we need to do is we simply press Control plus X, then press Y, then hit enter. Once again, Control plus X, then Y, then hit enter. Then you will get to this page again. Okay, that's it. Now come back to our lab page. Scroll down, skip this code, copy only eighth number of code, copy it, come back to here, paste it and hit enter. This way our third task also get completed. Now in the fourth task, copy this code. We need to set a project ID. So paste it here, hit enter, copy this code, come back to here. Let me check. Yes, come back to here, paste it here, hit enter, wait for it to run. Copy this code, fourth, paste it, hit enter. Now the last one, the fifth code, wait for it to run, paste it, hit enter. Now this code will take a long to run, so I will skip the video from here. It will take 2 minutes. That's it. Now once it's get completed, your task 4 will also get completed. That's it in the fourth task. Now in the fifth task, we need to create our SSH key with the help of VM instance. So copy the first code, come here, paste it, hit enter. In the first code that we run, we need to hit enter 2 times when it's written on your screen that empty for no braces. Hit enter again. That's it. Now what we need to do, scroll down, copy this code, paste it here and hit enter. That's also get completed. Now we need to import the public key to the Google Cloud. So copy this code, come here, paste it here, hit enter, wait for it to load. Right now we need to make certain changes. So let me minimize this. Here, come to the dashboard, click on the compute engine, wait for it to load. Click on the compute engine and wait for it to load. Once it's get loaded, come here, scroll down and click on the metadata in the set under the settings section. Click on the metadata. Here, click on the SSH keys. Click on this arrow. Now come back to the page. Now we need to open the AWS console. So again, right click on this, open it private window. Wait for it to load. Here we need to put the IAM username and the password. Now for the username, come back to here, copy this AWS username and now paste it here in the username section. Now the password will also be here. Copy this AWS password, come back to here, paste it here and click on sign in. Wait for it to load or sign in. It's loading. Once it get load, we need to click on the EC2, open it. It will get it loaded up. In the EC2, we need to perform certain tasks. Here in the resources section, click on the key pairs. Wait for it to load. While it's loading, come back to here, scroll down. At the fourth point for the name, enter. Copy this whole carefully without copying the full stop. So be careful about this full stop. Wait for it. Now click on the actions button. Click on import key pair. Now here paste the name that we copied. Now come back to the dashboard. Here we need to copy this whole key. Copy it. Come back to our AWS community. Paste it here. That's it. Now scroll down. You click on import key pair, and you can get a message successfully imported key pair. That's it. Now our fifth task also get completed. We don't need to perform the sixth task or the seventh task. We can skip this. Click on the eighth task. Copy this code. Come back to here. We need to go to our cloud shell. So let me raise it, maximize it. Now paste the task that we copied with the code that we copied here and hit enter. Now come back to here, scroll down and copy the second code, paste the second code and hit enter. Wait for it to run. Scroll down, copy the third task, the third code actually. Paste the third code and hit enter. Wait for it to run once again. Scroll down, copy the fourth. It will take 2 minutes to run. Wait for it. Now paste the task, paste the code actually, and hit enter. Wait for it. Now here we need to enter the value. When it asks for enter the value, you need to enter YES and hit enter. That's it. Wait for it to run and it will be the end of our lab. That's the final task that we need to perform. Wait for it to run successfully. Finally, it's loaded successfully, and this code took me 7 minutes around to run completely. So wait for this code to run. After this code runs successfully, come back to your lab, scroll down, click on check my progress button. You will get a green tick. Wait for it. That's it. That's the last task that we need to perform. No check my progress remains here. Congratulations, your lab is now completed. Click on end lab button, click on submit button, give the star rating that you want to give and click on submit button. Come back and you will see that there will be a green tick beside our labs. So scroll down and that's it. We get a green tick beside our building a VPN between Google Cloud and AWS with Terraform lab. So that's it in this video. If you like the video, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment box or you can join my Telegram group. I will leave the description in the comment box or the description box. And that's it. Thank you very much.